Hello, welcome to Vegan Cuisine with Madame Sophie. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my gluten-free brunch sandwich. This sandwich is perfect if you are on a gluten-free diet and if you would like it to also be protein packed with very low calories. This brunch is so perfect. So I have 2 slices of EZEKIEL bread, and to the 2 slices I'm going to just take 1 dollop of vegan mayo. I am going to go on and take my vegan cheese. The cheese I'm using today is soy-based cheese. It is soy cheese. It is also gluten-free. I bought it at my local Japanese grocery store. But I'm just taking 1 slice of soy cheese and I'm just adding it onto that sliced bread. On the other slice of toasted EZEKIEL bread, I'm going to add in a dollop of plant junky salad dressing or sandwich spread. This is a chipotle lime flavor, and I'm just mixing it up. So I'm going to go on and add my 2 slices of tomatoes. If you'd like to make this sandwich a little more stuffed, you could go on and add some cucumber, you could go on and you could add some lettuce. There are so many other vegetables you could add to your sandwich if you want it to be more packed with vegetables. But since I have a salad on the side, this is why I'm not adding in as much vegetables. To my sandwich, I am going to add in my scrambled veg. If you want to see how I made this scrambled veg, the recipe, the link to the video on how to make this is going to be linked up on the top right hand corner of this video. So please look out for that. Check out the info card. If you're using this veg recipe for this sandwich, I would highly suggest using the veg while it is at least still warm, not hot entirely, but still warm. And also, if you would like to avoid the veg from falling apart while you're eating the sandwich, I would suggest not breaking it up as much during the cooking process. So now I'm going to cut my sandwich in half. To add some toothpicks to keep it together as well. And there you have it. This is a protein packed brunch sandwich. I love making sandwiches with my scrambled egg all the time. It is so good. I really love it, and I really don't miss out on eating any egg. I am going to pair my sandwich up with a side of Mediterranean cucumber salad. That's it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of Vegan Cuisine with Madame Sophie. I will see you in the next video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Peace, love, and tasty vegan food. Bye.